So in the last video we asked you, should my dad go fishing with me? And in the comments, everyone said, definitely, take him fishing. What are you afraid? So I was all set to go this morning, but unfortunately, he was still sleeping. So I had to go around the house and find anyone that was willing to come fishing with me at 5 in the morning. So our guest host for today's show is...
Ta-da! It's me, London.
We're gonna go catch some fish, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Those are just little house flies, I think.
I might have a fish.
Oh yeah? Beauty. London's the first one, eh? To get a fish. Nice one, London.
Yay! First fish of the day.
First fish of the day. I don't think we're gonna keep any fish today. We'll just throw them all back.
Yep.
What do you think?
That sounds good.
Okay. And away it goes to catch another day.
Yeah, you gotta catch a fish, Dad.
Yeah. I do. Good one.
Thank you.
Maybe I won't catch any fish. They'll be catching all of them all today. Eh?
Maybe. I would be fine with that.
I'd be okay with that.
Still catching fish. Why do you have so many rocks? Got a fish.
What? Whoa, beauty. Another one. Hey, you're on fire today.
Yep.
Two for London.
Is my minnow still good?
It's only a middle hit.
You
Oh.
want a net?
That's all right.
Okay.
Beauty. 2-1 for London.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna catch up.
I know you are.
Hey?
Still caught fish though. We only catch 3 fish, but still caught fish.
Totally, eh?
Mm-hmm.
And it's nice and cool.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like plus 39 this afternoon.
What?
Yeah, so we gotta get out, catch some fish, and get home before it gets too hot.
What
Look at the whirlpool.
Yeah. what's
Don't
that
get sucked
for?
into that sucker.
Uh-huh.
Eh?
Remember when we went to BC and then we went in the thing to...
Yeah, we went in that. Yeah, and that boat went to the whirlpool.
And then the person said, just trying to wake you up.
Yeah, it was pretty awesome, eh?
Yeah. I felt like I was just sound effects for me first. I'll be...
I'll do the first one, yes. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Get your turn. You're up. Sound effects.
Okay, my sound effects won't be good.
Get the net. Get the net. Oh my God. Get the net. Just kidding. It's not that big.
Well, I'm still using it.
Yeah, totally.
Where is it?
It's coming.
I don't see it.
Yeah. Look. Right where my line is there.
Where is it?
It's right below you.
Oh, oh my. Oh, okay. I didn't do anything.
Whoa. Great netting job.
Yeah.
Eh?
I didn't say that.
It's super duper good. That was the most bestest.
That bestest isn't
Here's a gooder netting job.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, get in the net. There's a picture drag there. It looks like it's. Whoa, beauty.
I got 4.5 fish now.
Yeah, and I got 7.5 fish.
Oh boy. Just gotta get 3 more fish. Then I'll do the same.
We'll stay for a few more minutes.
Okay.
And we'll pack her in.
Okay.
You'll be stuck with 5.5 fish.
No. 6
We'll let the
and a
people decide.
half.
Hey?
6.5.
We'll let the people decide. If
I'm
it's...
right. You better write I'm right.
Is Lennon right?
London is right. Oh man.
Ah.
Again.
Hey?
It happened again. What did you have for breakfast, Dad?
I haven't eaten any breakfast yet.
What, do you want an apple?
No, thank you. Maybe later.
Okay.
Maybe I'll have an apple for the trip home.
Okay,
Okay.
there's an apple in there. I brought. But I'm not hungry, so you can have the apple if you want
So I got a joke for you.
that. Okay.
Where did they grow chefs?
Where did they grow chef?
Yeah,
I don't know.
in Bakersfield.
I get that. I do. Okay, I'm gonna do it to the camera, okay? And then, why can't you give Elsa a balloon?
I don't know why can't they give Elsa a balloon?
Because she'll let it go. Let it go. The feathers one.
No.
Why do ducks have feathers?
I don't know why they ducks have feathers.
To cover the butt quack.
Butt quack. So I got, what do you have for fish? 5.5?
No, 6.5.
6.5?
Yeah.
But that one never got on the boat, and I have 7.5.
Okay, but it was right there and I saw it.
But it actually never came in the boat.
Yeah, but it was above the water and then it did
Okay.
self-release.
So everybody, write in the comments below, does a fish count if it's doesn't actually get in the boat and it just falls off your hook right inside the boat, or does it have to be in the boat for it to count? Let us know in the comments below.
I'm right.